Hello, my name is Joshua Kleiman, and in this video I will be explaining step by step how to solve the fourth free response question on the 2019 AP Statistics exam. The question reads, tumbleweed, commonly found in the western United States, is the dried structure of certain plants that are blown by the wind. Kochia, a type of plant that turns into tumbleweed at the end of the summer, is a problem for farmers because it takes away nutrients from soil that would otherwise go to more beneficial plants. Scientists are concerned that kochia plants are becoming resistant to the most commonly used herbicide, glyphosate. In 2014, 19.7% of 61 randomly selected kochia plants were resistant to glyphosate. In 2017, 38.5% of 52 randomly selected kochia plants were resistant to glyphosate. Does the data provide convincing statistical evidence at the 0.05 alpha level that there has been an increase in the proportion of all kochia plants that are resistant to glyphosate? We will construct a two-proportion z-test to find if there is enough evidence to support the claim that there has been an increase in the proportion of all kochia plants that are resistant to glyphosate from 2014 to 2017. The hypotheses, conditions, test, and conclusion will be explained step by step in this video. The null hypothesis is that P1 is equal to P2. The alternative hypothesis is that P1 is less than P2. P1 represents the population proportion of all kochia plants that are resistant to glyphosate in 2014. P2 represents the population proportion of all kochia plants that are resistant to glyphosate in 2017. All the conditions that need to be met to run the two-proportion z-test are met. First, it is stated in the problem that both samples were randomly selected, and therefore the samples are representative of the population. The values selected are independent of each other in both samples. This means that the outcome of one subject does not affect the outcome of another subject. The samples are each less than 10% of their respective populations. The success-failure condition is met because all of the following products are greater than or equal to 10. P1 times N1 is equal to 12.02, which is greater than 10. Q1 times N1 is equal to 48.98, which is greater than 10. P2 times N2 is equal to 20.02, which is greater than 10. Q2 times N2 is equal to 31.98, which is greater than 10. So we're going to do a two-prop z-test on the calculator. We're going to input x1, n1, x2, and n2, and we're going to get that p is less than p2. Then we're going to press calculate and get that p is 0.0136 and z is negative 2.21. Once the test is completed, it can be observed that p is less than the alpha value. The p-value is 0.014 and the alpha value is 0.05. This leads to the conclusion that at the 0.05 level of significance, there is strong evidence to reject the null and support the claim that the population proportion of kochia plants that are resistant to glyphosate has increased from 2014 to 2017. I hope this video solution has been very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.